This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal. Anicoche.
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche. Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yes. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? Pakita mo yung picture, pakita mo.
Hindi nakita ng ano.
What's that picture about?
On the picture, is that you in the picture? Chantal Anicoche?
But I don't know what that is.
We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture.
Theodora.
You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes.
Tignan nyo.
Kanin.
Marunong niya matagal. Yung delatan ninyo. Yung delatan ninyo tapos isang kanin.
Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Sapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes.
Tignan nyo.
Kanin.
Marunong niya matagal. Yung delatan ninyo. Yung delatan ninyo tapos isang kanin.
Sabag ko, Noy. Kunin mo, Noy. Meron din ako, Noy. Sapak ko, Noy. Ayan, o.
Kanin. May tao. Tanyo. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname? What's your full name?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka ng pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito lang. Clear naman na doon. Dito lang banda. Dito lang. Umakyat ko na.
Doon, nakuhan ko na doon.
Doon banda. Pinuntahan mo na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here?
Not really my boyfriend.
He's a what? Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Huh? His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
I thought I could trust him, but he didn't treat me well, so I just ran away.
You tell us the truth. We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here?
I'm
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
I came here for a boy. When I should have been with my family.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. You eat first, you eat. So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So,
I was with his family. And then,
when did you go here?
January 31st.
December 31st?
When I ran here.
December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning when we got into a fight. And so I thought I could just walk away. But I got lost. I got lost here.
Do you have cell phone in you?
Ito yung lagayan niya sa nakuha niya.
Sama na po yung
Doon sa kanya, tumutas niya.
You have your cell phone with you?
yung cellphone.
Hanapin natin.
I-check niyo daw.
Wala doon. Do you have a cellphone?
Kaya nyo.
Kalugay! Kalugay! Iradyo mo! Kalugay! Iradyo mo! Kalugay!
May ID dyan. Ganyan lang.
Ay, ide.
May ID. Huwag kang lumapit yan, huwag lumapit.
Papasabog mo dyan.
May papasabog. Wala. May ID ba?
Kalugay! Radyo ka, radyo!
May ID dyan, may ID.
Security.
Yan na yun.
Oh, sige. Move slowly.
Miracle.
Move slowly.
No, you go by yourself.
Di.
Foreign po, may nahuli kaming babae dito na mukhang Tagalog, English speaking.
Itas mo. You put your shirt up.
Di. Your hands up.
Sir, put lang na sir.
Yeah, just like
Positive to sir, positive.
the belly only.
Positive.
Turn around. Okay, you move there. You move there.
Tagalog po ito, Tagalog.
Sir, diyan na sir. Baka tumakbo pa eh.
You move here. You move here. Right here. You move here. Yes, you move up. Up. No. Up. Down.
Positive at yung nawawalan ng lower.
Tara na, bala ko pa.
Jogging pass nito, jogging pass. Pati ito, kasi naman nila pati.
Sige.